here because they say we must come and check everything to our body. So I'm here to check the cancer because my mom passed away about the cancer. So we can't really know we have a cancer or what. So I'm not afraid to check everything.
Ek is baie dankbaar vir Pink Drive wat gekom het tot binne in Pella om vir ons hier te kan dien. Regtig, want en ek ry almal aan sover as wat ek kom, ry ek mense aan om Pink Drive te besoek. Julle gaan nie spyt wees nie, want dis hier wat julle hoor wat in julle liggame aangaan. En ek sê ook dat julle nie moet ophou met julle goeie werkie, want dit kan net mense se lewens verleng.
So I appreciate your things that you have done to us. Then I said to you, you must come again and help, especially the old ones, because now they are crossed that they are not going to get in the machine. So I'm going to get in the machine so that other people, that they must know that if you prepare yourself for your life, you are going to live long.
People from any age must come and make checkup, because now in this day the cancer is from the old and the young people, and you can't say I am 65 years, I must go home. I must also come and make checkup like everyone.
I'm here today because they said there is people from Pink Drive that will test us everything in our body that is not right. If you can bring more doctors, and make it everything be accessible to us, because these diseases are very dangerous. When you find out it's already late, there's nothing they can do. But if you have checked us early, then it's going to be better, because we don't have money to go to the doctors, you see, and it's expensive. So we always come here. If there's things like this, you must just bring them, frequently, now and then. Thank you. We're thanking you very much. We thank you very much. Yeah, come again, please.
Ek is baie opgewonde vanoggend. Dis die heel eerste keer dat ek by Pink Drive kom. En ek sê baie dankie vir Pink Drive se teenwoordigheid. Ek sê baie dankie vir die sponsors, want sonder die sponsors sou dit nie moontlik gewees het nie. En ons in Puff City is baie opgewonde, want onder hierdie umbrella van Pink Drive is professionele, vriendelike mense, en dit maak ons hart baie warm. So ek hoop en vertrou hierdie sal net groter en groter suksesse oplewer.
There's nothing to be afraid of to go and do mammogram. It's a good thing to do so that you can know your health status. The staff were very kindly and they take me through everything that I must do. It was easy and they make everything simple for me. I'm no longer scared.